Hey guys, now this coming week we're going to be hearing about the brand new iPhones and also iPads that are going to be released to the market. And in today's video we're going to talk about cases for the new iPhone that you can start lining up so that when you place your order you have a case to go with it. Today we're taking a look at wallet cases from Sheildon, and we have some reference models that we'll be able to use to see how they look and how they feel. And I'm also using my previous iPhone to just see if they wirelessly charge. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now these cases from Sheildon have a great unpacking experience. I just wanted to show you what they look like. I opened up one of them and I was going to go ahead, or actually two of them, I was going to go through and open them all, but I said I just needed to share with you what the experience was like. And you'll notice that when you open up the box, they have this really nice paper that wraps them together, and it's just the details right here that matters. And you can either tear them off, like if you're one of those people just like when you're opening up gifts, you just like tearing them apart. You could do that, or you could just slide it off just like I'm doing right here, just to preserve that. I don't know, just like doing that. And what you notice here is that they come with some really nice protection, right? So you have these foam inserts that you can remove. And this one right here has like magnetic clasp, right? It kind of just locks in place and keeps your wallet nice and secure. Really great stitching going all the way across. Everything looks really nice. And again, it not only will protect your phone, but it has all of these different compartments for your wallet, and then if you carry any cash. They come in various colors, right? So here is one with the reference model of the new iPhone, and how this one is specifically sized correctly. So you can see, again, what you would expect from, something that's going to be coming out in the next couple days. Power button is found right here, TPU insert, and then you have also, the cool thing is that you have RFID blocking card slots. And that's important because most of the credit cards today, if you see like a little Wi-Fi symbol, that means you can tap on something. The bad thing about it is that if someone has a device that can steal information, they can tap your phone, or they can get close to you and actually do the same thing. So the nice thing that it has that is pretty cool that it has that capability. So you'll notice this is a real nice one. I love the brown with the kind of like beige stitching going all the way around, and you can see what the iPhone would look like fitting in just right there. Here we have another one that we'll take a look at. This is another black one, but again, a reference to the size that we see right there. We'll remove this right here. And then again, this comes with a magnetic. This one doesn't have the magnetic clasp on it. So again, if you're looking for a wallet case, right, these are going to be something that you would want to consider. These are great. We've been reviewing Sheildon products for a very long time. Been using them as well for a very long time, and they're very durable leather cases that just have some really nice stitching and quality. This has a nice pattern to it, or feel to it. This has more of a texture, as you can see right there. And again, the stitching is really nice. TPU inserts. Just overall, it's a great looking case. Here I have another one. This is like a black one, has stitching all the way around it, right? You'll notice that my camera module is slightly off because this is the previous version, right? But I just wanted to show you what it would look like on. And again, this is a one that is actually a real one that you can turn on. And the reason for that is because I wanted to show you that this case also supports wireless charging. So we're going to open this up, and I'm going to place the charger in the back until it finds that little sweet spot, and then we'll see the little charging symbol come up. So it charges too. So cases for the new iPhone. First look, if you're looking for a wallet case, these are great. See you in the next video.